Welcome to Flash English, your English channel where you learn fast and easy. Today, you'll learn pet animals in English. Stay until the end and test your memory. Share this video with a friend, like if you enjoy learning English, and subscribe for more. Let's start. Dog. Dog.
Dog. A loyal animal often kept as a pet. Dog. Dog.
Cat. Cat.
Cat. A small furry animal that loves to play and sleep. Purr. Cat. Purr. Cat.
Fish. Fish.
Fish. An animal that lives in water. Fish. Fish.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Rabbit. A small animal with long ears.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Hamster. Hamster.
Hamster. A tiny furry pet that runs on wheels. Hamster. Hamster.
Guinea pig. Guinea pig.
Guinea pig. A gentle rodent often kept as a pet. Guinea pig. Guinea pig.
Parrot. Parrot.
Parrot. A colorful bird that can mimic sounds. Parrot. Parrot.
Canary. Canary.
Canary. A small yellow singing bird. Canary. Canary.
Budgie.
Budgie. A small and friendly parakeet.
Budgie.
Budgie. Budgie.
Turtle. Turtle.
Turtle. A reptile with a hard shell. Turtle. Turtle.
Tortoise. Tortoise.
Tortoise. A land reptile with a protective shell. Tortoise. Tortoise.
Goldfish.
Goldfish. A popular orange pet fish.
Goldfish.
Goldfish. Goldfish.
Betta fish.
Betta fish. A colorful tropical fish.
Betta fish.
Betta fish. Betta fish.
Mouse.
Mouse. A small rodent sometimes kept as a pet.
Mouse.
Mouse. Mouse.
Rat.
Rat, an intelligent pet rodent.
Rat.
Rat. Rat.
Ferret.
Ferret, a playful and curious animal.
Ferret.
Ferret. Ferret.
Chinchilla.
Chinchilla, a soft-furred rodent from South America.
Chinchilla.
Chinchilla. Chinchilla.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog, a small animal covered in spines.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog. Hedgehog.
Gecko.
Gecko, a small lizard often kept as a pet.
Gecko.
Gecko. Gecko.
Iguana.
Iguana, a large green lizard.
Iguana.
Iguana. Iguana.
Frog.
Frog, an amphibian that can live in water and on land.
Frog.
Frog. Frog.
Snake.
Snake, a legless reptile kept by exotic pet lovers.
Snake.
Snake. Snake.
Cockatiel.
Cockatiel, a friendly bird with a crest.
Cockatiel.
Cockatiel. Cockatiel.
Lovebird.
Lovebird, a small, colorful parrot.
Lovebird.
Lovebird. Lovebird.
Macaw.
Macaw, a large and vibrant parrot.
Macaw.
Macaw. Macaw.
Pigeon.
Pigeon, a bird sometimes raised as a pet.
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Pigeon.
Chicken.
Chicken, a farm bird that some people keep as a pet.
Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken.
Duck.
Duck, a water bird with a flat bill.
Duck.
Duck. Duck.
Mini pig.
Mini pig, a small domesticated pig.
Mini pig.
Mini pig. Mini pig.
Tarantula.
Tarantula, a large hairy spider kept as an exotic pet.
Tarantula.
Tarantula. Tarantula.
Thanks for watching. Like this video, hit the hype button, subscribe for more. See you in the next video.